This is question 27 on your transformation study guide. We need to find a sequence of transformations to get our original rectangle HJKL onto H prime, J prime, K prime, and L prime. So sequence means I'm going to need more than one transformation. Immediately I notice that my original triangle is up and down, while my new triangle is kind of sideways, left and right. So that tells me that I need a rotation, because I need to spin my rectangle around. If I rotate 90 degrees clockwise, when I do that, I get a rectangle like this, where this is K, L, H, and J. Then I need to get this rectangle down. So 2 ways I could do that. I could either reflect or translate. I just have to decide which. Notice that K and K prime are both on the inside, and then L and L prime are both on the outside. That makes me think that it's a flip instead of a slide. The numbers kind of have to change where they are. So then this would be a reflection, because I need to flip it over that line. So a reflection over the x-axis. Those are my 2 transformations that I need. I knew it was a reflection because the letters kind of changed the order that they were in. It wasn't a slide.